Hello, I'm Jay, an insurance and financial professional. If you fit these categories, buying a home, own a home, or provide a professional service as a realtor or mortgage loan officer, this video is for you. I'm going to cover my top 4 home insurance coverages and one key consideration before purchasing home insurance. First up, service line coverage. This is a lifesaver when underground lines like gas, water, and electric are damaged. These repairs cost thousands of dollars, which are not covered by the base policy. And there are 2 key considerations. Is the home over 35 years old? And how old is the neighborhood? However, I don't discourage getting this coverage regardless. It doesn't hurt to be overinsured with this coverage. The takeaway here is this. With service line coverage, you're protected against unexpected, costly expenses, ensuring you won't be left out in the dark or the cold, literally and figuratively. The second coverage is extended home replacement. With extended home replacement, you get additional coverage to rebuild your home, often 25, 50% or more than the policy limits. In the end, it's about ensuring that your investment is fully protected. Now let me share 2 examples. First, if you need to rebuild your home after a major disaster, current day construction costs may not be enough to rebuild your home, meaning the standard policy may not have enough to cover the full amount. This is where extended replacement coverage can provide that protection. Now, for my home purchase professionals, the second scenario is the loan value consideration. Now, when there's a seller's market, the market price of the home may be greater or equal to the rebuild cost of the home. By adding extended replacement coverage, this will provide enough additional coverage to exceed the loan amount and even enough to cover the rebuild cost. Now, let's move underground to sewer and drain coverage. This is critical for protecting your home from the nasty and costly damage caused by sewer backups or sump pump failure. This coverage helps with repair and cleaning up the mess. Now, it will replace any damaged property like flooring, drywall, and or personal property damaged or destroyed. Sewer and drain coverage is especially handy during the spring and early summer months when it tends to rain more often. Now, even though this coverage is optional, it's a must-have, and as a standard practice, I make sure to include it. Now, the last coverage is outside structures. It covers property outside your home, like your fence, storage shed, swing set, or a detached garage. Even though this coverage is part of the base policy, it is often overlooked. Keep in mind, any damage or loss to these structures can be just as impactful as the home. If you're buying a home with large outside storage buildings or detached garages, just make sure to review the replacement amounts with your insurance agent. Now, if you reach this point, I thank you. So allow me to share some bonus information. I'll quickly go over homes with swimming pools. Be advised, the insurance company will not request but require the swimming pool be in a fenced-in area as a safety precaution. The takeaway here is that a swimming pool could prevent you from acquiring insurance. Therefore, if you're going to buy a home with a swimming pool, make sure the pool has a protected barrier around it. If not, the home insurance could be delayed or denied until a barrier is constructed. Now, I hope you received some helpful tips. If you missed something, don't hesitate to go back and rewatch any part of the video. Now, I'm licensed in 6 states, based in Ohio. As a bonus, I have provided the emails of a few of my network partners in Ohio, specializing in real estate and home lending. Their information is in the description section below. Now, I'm always looking to add to my partner network, so if you are a real estate agent or a loan officer, please feel free to reach out to me. I provide quotes and evidence of insurances within a 24-hour period. All right, so there you have it, folks. Those are the things I wanted to cover today. And if you're looking for insurance, and like I always like to say, call Jay today. Thanks for listening.